I'll show you what I found inside the first float bowl so far. Very important that the jets on the carburetor do not get blocked or partially blocked, particularly the main jet. So have a look here. So this is a potentially damaging situation for the engine. Right now I don't know if there's debris actually inside the jet, but there is debris around that could easily get pulled up inside there. So it's like a cutting torch. If you operate a cutting torch, if you've ever operated one, you know that if you start backing the fuel off and leave the oxygen the same, then the temperature of the flame rises considerably. So similar thing happens with an engine. If the fuel starts to get blocked off, and then the flame temperature in the cylinder starts to rise, and it could damage the cylinder and even seize the cylinder.